Hey guys, welcome back. So over my last few Assetto Corsa videos I've been focusing mainly on graphics mods. How do you get your graphics up to 2020 standards with all the bells and whistles that you want on? So I've got a number of videos on my channel, do check those out that go through those tips. What I've also done is I've been looking at some of the best free roam tracks as well, and there are some awesome free roam tracks on Assetto Corsa at the moment, so you don't just need to be going round and round on the standard kind of tracks you get. You can actually go free driving, which is wonderful. But today there was a big new release on Assetto Corsa. Well, I think it's a big release, and that is a fantastic hill climb track. So I'm going to take you through that in a moment. But do remember guys, to help me support growing the channel, please do click on that subscribe button and that like button. It really does help me out. Okay, let's go. So we're going to be installing Topanga Canyon hill climb. The link is in the description below as ever, so do check that out. And this is made by Todd K, so big call out to Todd K. Tons of work he's done on this. 395 meg download. And this is a great 20km hill climb that goes up and down the hill to race your favourite cars on. So, as per normal, to install this we just click on the download link, the raw file pops up, click on OK, and that will download into your saved location. Then you just simply need to pick that raw file up and drag it into Content Manager. Okay, let's take a look at some gameplay from Topanga Canyons. So I've got the weather on Sol, really nice sunny day. Looks really nice with the reflections coming off the windscreen there. And I think I'm just in a BRZ here just to get a feel of the track. First thing to say is I do believe this track is a real kind of cruising track. So you know, sometimes you've been away, you've had a long drive home or lots of stuff going on in your life. Pick up your favourite car, jump on this track and just have a cruise around, and as you can see by this gameplay, it looks absolutely fantastic. Now the great thing with this hill climb is, I know a lot of hill climbs kind of have lots of really sharp hairpins and they seem to be condensed over a very short amount of actual space on the mountainside or the hillside. On this track there's lots of sweeping bends, there's towns to go through. You actually get some really good speed up on some of the parts of the track as well. But that's not to say that this track isn't a challenge. If you want to really race this track and do some hot laps on here, driving some of the cars here that with the the big rear wheel drive power cars is really going to give you a challenge. So I've been using my G29 steering wheel on this track and it feels really good and really smooth. But again, big challenge if you want to put those big lap times in. Let's talk some facts about this track. So this is based on real public roads located near Malibu in California, hence why I've got the nice weather on, no rain on this track. And that's starting at sea level. We do climb 1500 feet on this track before dipping down slightly to Mulholland Highway. The track also has 6 pit boxes and 2 intermediate split time markers. You'll actually see those when you're going up the hill climb. They look like small Finnish flags at the side of the road, can't miss them. One other big tip on this hill climb, whether you're going up or down, is the warning signs on some of the corners. So on this gameplay you will see square flags that with sharp left turns or right turns. It's really important that you take heed of those. As I said, there are a lot of sweeping turns on this track, but there are some really sharp turns as well. And there does seem to be telegraph poles positioned just at the wrong place, so trust me, you need to be slowing down on those, especially in some of the cars like I'm driving here. Here I'm in the big Cobra. Very tricky to get around some of these corners. And one other thing just to mention, for all of you that want to get those gorgeous replays in action, that the replay cameras are only up at the moment, so I think that Todd is still working on those for coming down. So do check out his page and keep supporting these guys that are pulling out these great mods, and especially the tracks. There is a ton of work that goes into this mod. So guys, that's Topanga Canyon. I hope you're going to visit Todd's website and check this out and download it. It's a really cool track. Really enjoyed making the video. Thank you for watching. Remember, if you do like this video, please do subscribe. It helps me to grow the channel. Click on that thumbs up and do check out my channel for more videos on Assetto Corsa mods, on tips, and also on how to get these gorgeous graphics updated on your computer. See you soon.